Hey guys, today I introduce a super healthy dish, Miso Rice and Plums soup. Cooking ingredients together with the rice is also called takikomi gohan, and it has a miso flavor, and to go with the plum and shiso flavor soup. This soup contains plenty of citric acid is very gently on the intestines. It's a very delicious and easy dish that only takes about 5 minutes to prepare. Just wait for the rice to cook. So let's make it together! First, let's look at the ingredients for miso rice. Rice, mackerel, green onion, miso, soy sauce. Next, ingredients for plum shiso soup. Plum, shiso leaves, dash of kombu seaweed. Let's make it easy miso rice and plum shiso soup right away. Start by preparing the rice as usual. First, lightly wash it 3 to 4 times to remove any dirt from the surface. Be gentle while washing to avoid damaging the rice grinds. Add water to rice. At this point, dissolve the miso. It's better to dissolve it lightly as putting in as a lump might create uneven flavors. Stir well. Then add soy sauce. Next, add the mackerel. While I'm using the mackerel this time, salmon or other fish also works well. Once you've added the chopped green onions, you are ready to go. Is it easy, right? Place everything in the rice cooker and press the start button. While waiting, let's make the plum shiso soup. First, cut the stem of the shiso leaves and remove them. Then wash each leaf carefully. Once washed, gather the shiso leaves and roll them up before chopping. You can achieve the finely chopped by making the both vertically and horizontally cuts. The delightful fragrance of shiso is irresistible at this point. Next, prepare the plums. Since plum has large seeds, remove them and use the flesh around the seeds. You can even taste the remaining flesh. It's sour. Now finely chop the plums. Think of cutting from the various directions with the tip as a pivot point. If the lower part isn't cutting well, fold and cut again. This way, you can finely chop the plums. In a pot, add 400 ml of water and dashi of kombu seaweed. While dashi is typically made with the bonito, kombu dashi goes well with the plums, creating a unique flavor. Bring it to the boil. Once you see bubbles, add finely chopped shiso leaves and plums. Stirring well. Reduce the heat slightly as it intensifies, and if the taste seems mild, add a small amount of salt to enhance it. I add a bit salt since mine seems a bit weak. Now the soup is ready. It has a delicious taste. The miso rice is complete. Although the mackerel is still large, it can be easily shredded with the rice paddle. Mix it well. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes as usual. During the wait, serve the prepared soup. After 10 minutes, the miso rice is ready. let's いただきます。Now it starts with the plum shiso soup. It's a delicious soup with the acidity of plum and the fragrance of shiso leaves. Even my stomach will appreciate it. Next is miso rice. The aroma of miso and flavor of mackerel permeates the dish. Despite its modest appearance, this might be the most delicious dish I have ever made. It's fantastic! Please try making it yourself. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.